Map Data Schema is technology software for a specific operational decision, transforms and maps source data to standard event log schema format. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that technology teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Map Data Schema narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Map Data Schema starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include source row count, unique case count, schema complexity, timestamp column count, and activity column count. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate how well source columns map to the standard schema by assessing the presence and quality of timestamp, activity, and resource columns, weighted by schema complexity. Calculate overall data quality and completeness by penalizing null values in key columns and adjusting for case density, unique cases per total rows. Calculate confidence in case identifier selection by evaluating uniqueness ratio and adjusting for null percentage in candidate columns. Calculate the quality of timestamp column mapping by considering the number of timestamp-like columns and penalizing for null values, with diminishing returns above 2 columns. And calculate the estimated effort for complete mapping by combining schema coverage, data completeness, and inherent schema complexity into a 1:10 scale. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how technology teams actually make decisions. Map Data Schema returns structured outputs such as schema coverage, data completeness, case ID confidence, timestamp quality, and mapping complexity. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of Map Data Schema is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated technology work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.